Hi. Uh, that means actually today I'm going to share some more important tips and tricks of Python as a programming language, and this might help you in various projects and means in various interviews, also in clearing various interviews. So the first tip that I will share for the day is how to find the current date and time. Okay. So from date time import date time, from date time import date, you can see, right? So date time dot now, if you give, then it gives the current time, and in which format you want that, you can again do it through strf time. Okay. And you can means print the current time. Okay, by using this formatting technique. And also you can find today's date also. So if I run this program, you can see, right, means it is showing the current time as 7:37, okay, 47, and also it is displaying the today's date also. It is 17th March 2024, right? So this is one trick, okay, to find the current date and time in Python. Next trick, which I will share with you, is how to sort a list in the descending order. Okay. And so this is a list in Python, which is consisting of various numbers, right? 10, 23, 9, 50, 34, 46, 67, 52. So I want to sort this list in descending order. We know means for each list, there is a sort function. Okay. And um, uh, there is a sort function here, and but if we only give sort, it will by default sort in ascending order. Okay. But if I give means parameter as reverse equal to true, then actually it will sort in the descending order. Okay. And here I'm printing the list one thing is to be remembered, that uh, it always sorts in the descending order on the existing list. Okay. If I have a new list, it will not display anything. Means I will show it later. Let's run this program now. So I can see, right, the we can see that it has been sorted in descending order. So means descending means from largest to smallest. Okay. So we can see it here, right? It has been sorted in descending order, this list. Now let's do one thing. If I could give here list 2. Okay. And if I type here equal to, and then I type here print list 2, and then let me save it. Save all, and after that let me run this. I can see it none, right? Because when it is sorting, it is updating the existing list. It is not, uh, the means if I have a new list and it assign the updated list to that, I will not get anything here. Okay. So only, like, so it always works on the existing list. Okay. After descending, it updates the existing list. I mean, after sorting it in the descending order, it updates the existing list, not the new list. Okay. So now if I run, I will get result. Okay. Yeah. Now some more tips and tricks. So if you want to swap any variable in Python, okay, how will you do that? Okay. So x is a variable which is 20 and y is a variable 30. So simple ways, x comma y equal to y comma x. Okay. So it will, if I print it, uh, I will have the exchanged variable, exchanged value. Okay. So this is how it looks like. So x becomes 30 and y becomes 20. Okay. After swapping. Now if I now suppose my list has negative numbers. Okay. -12, -13, -14, -11. I want to print the absolute value. of the numbers. Okay, how will I print? There is a abs function for that. Okay, so absolute value of a negative number means only the number I will take. I will not ignore the sign. Okay, I will ignore this sign. Okay, so print. So this is a list. This is again a list, right? So I have given this list sign. It's third bracket, right? Abs of num for num in L1. Okay, so num is each element. Num represents each element in this list L1. Okay, and I've used abs function, abs of num. Okay, for num in L1. Okay. Now there is another function in Python which is starts with and ends with. Okay, so if there is a list L2, okay, which is containing apple, lemon, apricot, banana, orange, okay, this is a list, okay, and uh, I want only those elements from this list which starts with A, okay, which starts with character A. So L3 equal to I for I in L2. I is each element in L2 if I dot starts with is capital A. So the name of each element should start with A. So what will come here? Apple will come and apricot will come. Lemon does not start with A, right? It starts with L. Banana starts with B, or orange starts with O. So L3 will contain the uh, apple and apricot. And L4 is J for J in L2 if J dot ends with uh, is E. So it should end with E. So what are the elements that are ending with E in this list? Apple, E. Apple is ending with E, and orange is ending with E, right? So so when I'm printing this, so I'll be getting everything. So let me run this program, right? So first we can see, right, x equal to 30, y equal to 20. So x and y values are swapped. Okay, so this is how we swap the variables in Python. Second, we can see, right, it is printing the absolute value of these numbers in this list: 12, 13. So minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, minus 11, right? So here we can see 12, 13, 14, 11. It is ignoring this sign and it is taking the absolute value and printing it. Okay, and here we can see we print L3 and L4. L3 is apple and apricot because it starts with A, and L4 is consisting of apple and orange because it ends with E, right? Yeah. So these are the tips and tricks of Python which I have shared for the day. Thank you so much for hearing this, for viewing this, and I will share more tips and tricks in the coming days. Okay. Thank you so much.